Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PeoplePerHour to find US client projects, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with PeoplePerHour and find US client projects, the first step is to create an account on the platform. Visit the PeoplePerHour website and click on the sign up button. Fill out your personal details, including your name, email address, and password. Make sure to choose a strong password for security. After completing the form, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, log in to PeoplePerHour. Complete your profile by adding a professional photo. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Ensure you include keywords related to your area of expertise. Next, set your hourly rate in line with industry standards. Make your rates competitive, especially when starting. Proceed to list your skills by selecting relevant categories. Be specific and include all pertinent skills related to your work. Then, create a portfolio showcasing your previous work. Include high-quality images or examples of completed projects. This will help potential clients visualize your capabilities. Once your profile is complete, go to the Find Projects section. Use the search filters to narrow your results to US-based projects. Choose the category that best fits your skills. You can further refine your search by selecting the project duration, budget, and other criteria. Save your search preferences for easy future access. As you browse projects, read the descriptions carefully. Take note of the client's requirements and budget constraints. When you find a project that interests you, read the client's reviews and ratings. This will give you insight into the client's reliability. If you feel you are a good fit, prepare a personalized proposal. Highlight how your skills align with the project needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.